Hello friends, I am dietitian Forum Savla and today we are going to talk about my skincare routine. There have been a lot of my clients who ask me, how do you maintain your skin? Having a good skin is all about having a clear skin without any makeup. So you can be confident to carry your skin without any makeup. It should be one tone. There should be no acne on it. So now people who actually face all these problems, who have two colors on their skin, or who have acne problem, or who say my skin looks very dull, it doesn't look very bright, what should you be doing on regular basis? We'll talk about that. So one video is very less for all this because I am going to start from the grassroots level. So we are going to start from the internal cleansing of the body. So you are what you eat. I'm sure we all know that, right? And it is very true. The moment you start internal cleansing of your body, the external starts getting better and better. So we are going to talk about what kind of juices we should start with. So the detox routine that we should do every day as a religious kind of a religious effort that we should make every day, so that automatically after a month you will see the effect on your skin and hair. So what all do I use for my juices? This is the first kind of juice today that I'm going to discuss with you, post which in the coming videos, I'll take you forward. It may take 2 or 3 videos to really take you forward to the entire routine, but we'll do it step by step. So let's get started. So I have with me in this tray, if you can see, a lot of ingredients. Let's get to them one by one. This is what you see is an aloe vera. Now this is all from my home plants. That is, I have cut the entire thing. In the market, you may get this big aloe vera, or maybe you get chunks of these aloe vera. You can buy them from the market. It's I think 20 rupees per stick that they give you. Not a bad deal, because you have to just use like this much, about 1.5 inch or so. There's pulp inside. I'll show you how I remove the pulp. Now why aloe vera? Aloe vera automatically is a basic hydrate. It gives you hydration on your skin and hair. So it is like, it is a jelly format that you will get inside. Now this jelly, when applied directly on the skin, also hydrates, brightens your skin. And when you consume it in the juice every day, it acts like a cleanser as well. So hydration is one basic factor, but along with it, we also talk about cleansing of the body. Okay, it is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, rich in antioxidants and certain minerals, which is very good for your skin and hair both. So a very important ingredient, I would recommend not to miss it. Then we have our very own Doodhi, bottle gourd, what we call. Now this Doodhi, if you get a round one, please go for it, because the round Doodhi is the Ghauti Doodhi that you call. It's from the villages, and this is the routine. I couldn't, because normally don't get it every day, and I use this juice almost every day. So whatever you get, the local one is also good, and the round one is the best. Okay. Now why Doodhi? One thing, it cools down your body. So the heat, when heat develops in your body, and there is acne, because of which the acne leaves marks. So all this will be like, this is a coolant. It is alkaline in nature. Once it goes inside your body, it's alkaline in nature. So it almost curbs all the acidity down of the body. So very important ingredient again. Then we talk about amla, Indian gooseberry, amla. Amla is a very important ingredient because of the vitamin C content. It has a lot of vitamin C content. Okay, what I do is, why I have kept 3 is because I'm going to have 3 people's juice. So I'm going to add 3, 1 per person. Okay, it is rich in vitamin C, as I said. It will help you brighten, get the inner glow out. Very important ingredient, turmeric. This is fresh turmeric, available normally during winters. Please use it to the fullest. It has antiseptic properties. Now I have seen a lot of people who complain that we get one acne, post which we have another acne, and it just doesn't leave us, and it's constantly on and on, leaving marks all over the face. So this is a very good antiseptic. It will not leave, so whoever have dark spots, marks, it's a very important ingredient for them. Then you can see these different leaves that I have. Now these leaves, this is the basil. Okay, now this is the Thai basil that I have in my garden. So I take Thai basil also, and I take the normal tulsi, the Indian basil also. This is the normal tulsi that we have. Along with it, I have mint leaves. Now, mint is a natural cleanser that we all know. Tulsi has its own antiseptic properties to give your skin. So when we combine all of this in a juice, we have this golden juice. That is why I have named this juice as golden juice. So I'm going to take you forward as to how I make it. So let's get started. So guys, what I have done is these leaves, I have washed them and removed the stem. So I'm going to take all these 3 leaves, mint, Thai basil and Indian basil. So Indian tulsi. All these 3 go inside the mixer. Along with that, as I told you, the turmeric. I have just peeled the turmeric and I'm just going to roughly cut it and put it inside the mixer jar. Now the dudhi. Very important ingredient, guys. You just try this for a month. The coolant effect that this dudhi gives you, basically it's known that when you have a lot of acidity in the body, you have a lot of hair thinning, you have a lot of acne, the marks, you have dull skin, dull hair. This will give that sheen to your hair and skin. So do try it, guys. So what I'm going to do is just roughly chop this and put it inside the mixer. Okay. So here goes our dudhi. Now this amla, I normally don't prefer it going inside the mixer because it has a lot of vitamin C. I don't want to lose it. So what I'll do is once the juice is prepared, I will grate it. So I've left the amla as it is, per person 1 as I said. And this aloe vera. Now you see I have just kind of peeled the upper layer, removed the thorns that were there at the side. And what I'm going to do is just take this spoon and take this gel out like this. So whatever maximum gel you get, now don't guys go too deep, because what happens the moment you get this green portion, it becomes bitter and we don't want our juice to be bitter. So there's a way how I use this. I'm going to show you the leftover. So what I do is, this entire thing goes on my skin. Just because I'm on the camera, I'm not doing it. But every day what I do is, just what is leftover goes on my skin directly. It goes on my hands also directly. So you can do that. Okay. Now what we are going to do is blenderize this entire thing and strain it. So I'm going to come back and show you that. So guys, here we are. So this is the mixture. I'm going to pour it in the strainer. Now why I strain it? Because I don't like it that way. I feel like, puking because of the pulp. But if you like it that way, please go ahead. Okay, you can grind it very finely and kind of, just consume it the way you want. But this is something, and the color is a little dark. Okay, it gives a beautiful golden color when you add amla inside, because amla is, it has its own acid to give that beautiful golden green color. But I don't want to lose on the essence of amla. So it is rich in vitamin C, and mechanical grinding kind of takes that essence away. So what I do when I'm going to consume it, just before that I grate the amla inside and I use the juice. So remove all the pulp, guys, because this is like the main ingredient. So remove as much pulp as you can. Nothing should be almost remaining in the strainer. And if you feel it's too thick, you can always dilute it with little water so that you can gulp it down easily. So this is the kind of mixture that you will get. Now what I'll do is I will grate the amla inside. So you can grate it with a small grater like this before consuming it, and then consume it. It's going to be superb, like the best drink ever for your skin and hair. So now I'm pouring this golden juice of mine in the glass. And guys, this is it. So this is the first thing that should go inside your stomach every day. Do it for a month and then do comment and share your reviews about this juice, because this is a magical juice for me. And also people who are suffering from all other diseases like diabetes, cholesterol, it is magic for them as well. But skin and hair, it is awesome. So do try it, guys, and let me know. Bye bye.